So here's a question I get all the time. Do open houses still work? Or are they just a Sunday afternoon tradition that has lost its edge? The truth is, what used to work 10 years ago doesn't always move the needle today. However, when done right, open houses can still be one of the smartest tools in your selling strategy. Hey there, I'm Bret Johnson, Associate Broker with Realty Network Group at Real Broker, and I specialize in making real estate really easy. And over the years, I've seen open houses do everything from spark bidding wars to, well, just attract curious neighbors and unfortunately zero offers. The truth is, open houses are not a magic bullet. They're just a tool, and like any tool, their value depends on how and when you use them. In some cases, an open house can help your home stand out and build buzz. So today, let's walk through 3 key insights. First, when open houses still make sense. Next, how do we get real results instead of just foot traffic? And lastly, when you might be better off skipping them altogether. So open houses are most effective when your goal is exposure, not necessarily a direct sale that day. They can be a great move if your home just hit the market or you want to create an immediate buzz. Possibly also if you're in a high traffic area with strong local visibility. Or perhaps you're competing against similar listings nearby and you want to stand out. The biggest advantage? They help uncommitted buyers, those that aren't working with an agent yet, discover your property in a very low pressure way. That said, the real magic happens when an open house is part of a bigger launch strategy, not just a one-off event. All right, let's be real. Most open houses don't sell the home on the spot, but when done right, they do create momentum and that can lead to offers. So here's how you make them work. First, you need to market it early and everywhere. I mean, post it across MLS, all social media, email, and local community pages at least 3 to 5 days before the open house. Next, you need to create a digital experience. Use live video, Instagram stories, or turn your open house into an event, not just an address. Additionally, you need to make it feel personable. Welcome guests, share the home story, and help them picture life living there. Here's another tip. Pair your open house with a neighbors-only preview event. This can spark word-of-mouth buzz that can often lead to a serious buyer. All right, so sometimes an open house isn't the best use of time or energy. If your home is already getting strong private showings, or if you're in a gated, maybe low traffic area, it might not add much value. They also tend to be less effective for homes that are priced above the median in that area. Listings also where privacy or security are concerns, or markets where serious buyers are already scheduling private showings. So remember, open houses aren't the goal, offers are. Key is knowing when to use this tool strategically, not automatically. So do open houses still work in today's market? The short answer, sometimes. The right open house done the right way can still be a powerful marketing piece, but the wrong one can be a distraction that adds no real value. Every home, price point, and market is different, and your strategy should reflect that. If you're thinking about selling and want to know whether an open house would actually help your home, I'd be happy to give you an honest opinion based on your neighborhood and current market conditions. And I can walk you through our proprietary open house everyday system, which captures the steady buyer traffic of a traditional open house, but doesn't involve the setup, stress, and inconvenience of those wasted weekends. I've shared my contact info below. Let's chat about what would work best for your home. Thanks for watching.